Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quick banana pudding. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 4 to 5 ripe bananas, 1 box of instant vanilla pudding mix, and 1 box of vanilla wafers. Also, have 2 cups of cold milk, 1 container of whipped topping, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This recipe is perfect for a fast, delicious dessert. Now, let's prepare the pudding base. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of cold milk with the instant vanilla pudding mix. Whisk these together vigorously for about 2 minutes, or until the mixture starts to thicken nicely. Once it's thick, gently fold in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This simple step creates a creamy, flavorful foundation for your delicious banana pudding. Next, we'll assemble our pudding in layers. Start by placing a single layer of vanilla wafers at the bottom of your serving dish. Then, arrange a layer of sliced ripe bananas over the wafers. Spoon about 1/3 of your prepared pudding mixture evenly over the bananas. Repeat these layers, wafers, bananas, and pudding, until all your ingredients are used. Make sure the top layer is pudding. Finally, it's time to chill and enjoy your creation. Cover your assembled pudding dish tightly with plastic wrap. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow the flavors to meld and the pudding to set. Before serving, garnish with a generous dollop of whipped topping and a few crushed vanilla wafers. Your quick banana pudding is now ready to be savored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.